Most of the tacos that I love have a guacamole. So I'm gonna start with the chile de árbol. These chiles de árbol that I have here are from the Yucatan. They have a darker color, they're a little spicier. These are chiles de árbol that I got here in the US. They're also great. And these big ones I got from Jalisco. They're smoky and amazing too. I guess I'm gonna go with the ones from the Yucatan. And I'm gonna toast them in the comal, which I already preheated. It's at medium heat. So you wanna toast them, and you can toast them to the extreme, but you don't wanna burn them. Okay, so here we go. I can smell the smoke. It's good if it should make you cough a little. I'm gonna chop the chiles just a little. They get jumpy. When they're dry, they're jumpy, and when you toast them, they're even jumpier. 1 generous teaspoon of salt. And then I'm gonna add the juice of lima or sweet lime. In the US, goes by sweet lime, which confuses a lot of people because they think that it is just a lime that is sweet and that has matured or changed color, but it's not. It's a different ingredient. And then I'm just gonna mash away. This is such a delicious sound. And then most important thing of your guacamole is to have ripe avocados because they're the most buttery and delicious. I'm using a spoon so that I can get all of the meat and get really close to the skin. I'm gonna start mashing and mixing. And I like my guac a little bit chunky. A bit of chives, which gives a nice fresh crunch, scallion-like taste. This is the sound of guac being devoured.